How to download image from Pinterest account. So if you want to download any image from Pinterest account, then first open up your Pinterest by simply going for the search bar and search for Pinterest login, and then go for the first search, which is www.pinterest.com, and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, now you can simply choose any pin that you would like. So I'll be choosing this one. Click on the pin, and now you can simply go for more options. And under your more options, you will have download image on the first. So simply click on download image and your image will be downloaded. So go for the downloads, which is on the upper right, and click on the image and then open it. And that's it, you will have this image. So that's how you download your Pinterest image. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.